In this video, I will show you how to master Holo AI to create incredible stories and develop deep characters. Holo AI is a powerful tool that uses artificial intelligence to help writers overcome writer block and expand their creative horizons. To start your journey, first head to the website and create an account. Begin by giving your story a title and a brief description. This is where you set the foundation. The AI works best when you provide clear context, so write a few opening paragraphs to establish the tone and setting. Now, let us look at the settings panel where you can adjust the randomness of the output. If you want the AI to stick closely to your lead, keep the temperature low. For more experimental or surprising twists, turn it up. Another key feature is the lore book. This is essentially a database for your world building. Consistency is king here, so make sure to prune any outputs that do not fit your vision. This process is a collaboration between your imagination and the machine. By following these steps, you can build a massive world in half the time it takes to write manually. Stay creative and enjoy the process of building something new.